A question on many creators' minds is, are YouTube Shorts worth it? If you're asking that question, then this video is perfect for you because today I'm going to go over the pros and cons of uploading Shorts to your channel. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide whether or not Shorts are a good idea for your channel. Shorts was launched in 2020 as a response to the popularity of TikTok and Instagram Reels. YouTube wanted to capitalize on the demand for short content and the ever-decreasing attention span of viewers. Over the last year, we've seen channels skyrocket to over 1 million subscribers just by using Shorts. However, there are many factors of uploading Shorts that you must be aware of. Pro number 1. Reaching a larger audience. I like to think of Shorts viewers as a different demographic. You have those who prefer short form content versus those who prefer long form content. If you're a channel that primarily uploads long form content, you have the chance to reach a larger audience using short form content. A larger audience reach means more views, more brand awareness, more interest in your channel, and more subscribers. Which brings me to con number 1. Shorts viewers don't necessarily convert to long form viewers. When viewers subscribe from Shorts, it's a challenge to get them to watch your long form content. A channel could grow to 100,000 subscribers from using Shorts only and get at least 25,000 views on a new video, but the moment that channel uploads a long form video, it gets 5,000 views. This is important to consider because long form content often takes more effort and more time to create. When you've built up your viewer base using Shorts and then you upload a video that took you 10 hours to create, it's not going to get the same response as your Shorts videos. And ultimately, that's just demotivating and it makes you not want to make long form content. Which brings me to pro number 2. Shorts are easy to create. As I said, a long form video could take you 10 hours to create, but a Shorts video you can make in less than an hour. Rather than spending hours of scripting, filming, and video editing a long form video, you can create a short in a fraction of the time. And YouTube Shorts can be created directly on the YouTube app, so you don't need a computer or any fancy editing software. I personally recommend maintaining the same production value and effort that you put into your long form videos as you do your Shorts videos. Con number 2. Watch time hours from Shorts do not apply to your monetization requirements. The requirements to be monetized are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. But if you got those watch time hours from Shorts, it does not apply. But subscribers gained from Shorts do apply. If your goal is to monetize your channel, you can get those subscribers from Shorts, but you must mix in long form content in order to get those 4,000 public watch time hours. Which brings me to pro number 3. It's much easier to penetrate the Shorts algorithm. Shorts has its own algorithm and its own section on YouTube, meaning that your Shorts are not lumped in with all the hundreds of millions of videos out there already on YouTube. In my personal experience and many other creators, it's much easier to go viral using Shorts. But this ease of going viral using Shorts is not going to last forever. If I were to guess, I would say there's one short for every 100 long form videos on YouTube right now, which creates a very high demand. With only so many Shorts being uploaded to the platform, YouTube has only so many they can recommend to Shorts viewers. And this results in a higher chance of being recommended to new viewers. However, it's important to note that being recommended in the YouTube Shorts algorithm is kind of a hit or miss situation. So don't be discouraged if your first few Shorts don't go viral. Which brings me to con number 3. New feature issues. Since Shorts is still a new feature, you might experience issues. And Shorts is still technically in the beta stage, so YouTube is testing and implementing new ways they can improve the system all the time. Possible issues are just something you have to accept when using Shorts. Pro number 4, repurposing long form content. As I mentioned before, YouTube Shorts has a different algorithm and a different type of viewer. This gives you an opportunity to repurpose your long-form content into Shorts to reach more viewers with little to no extra effort. You can take your long-form video and highlight the key points or the most entertaining aspects and turn them into Shorts. Because you spent all of this time making a long-form video, you might as well get some Shorts out of it, right? And that way you're not leaving any views on the table. You're reaching viewers who like long-form content and short-form content. Con number 4, Shorts can discourage current viewers. If you have grown your viewer base using long form content, there's a chance that a small portion of your audience is going to be upset with you uploading Shorts. Many loyal YouTube users like the fact that YouTube is a long form based platform. A popular complaint from viewers is,
if I wanted to watch TikTok, I'd go on TikTok.
And this is likely a small percentage of your viewers. I wouldn't lose sleep over it, but it's something to be aware of. So I have to ask, when you're on YouTube, what do you spend more time doing? Watching Shorts or watching long form content? I'd love to hear everybody's opinions, so make sure to share them in the comments below. And for number 5, we have somewhat of a pro and a con. Shorts are not monetized in the same way that normal videos are. When watching shorts on the YouTube app, you will notice that there are no AdSense advertisements on them. This is because YouTube is still trying to figure out and develop a way to monetize shorts. But for now, they created the YouTube Shorts Fund of $100 million that they launched in October of 2021. This fund is simply to incentivize creators to make shorts while they figure out a better way to monetize them. What I've seen is that shorts creators get paid around $100 per 1 million views, which breaks down to about a penny per 1,000 views. And you have to be eligible. You could be uploading shorts all month and then get a message saying, sorry, you're not eligible for the Shorts Creator Fund. But don't worry, the YouTube Shorts Fund is running until 2021, and I will make a video in the future detailing everything you need to know in order to be eligible to claim a piece of the pie. Now that we've reached the end, I have to ask, do you think YouTube Shorts are a beneficial addition to your content strategy? Are you going to start uploading shorts? Are you going to start focusing only on shorts? What are you going to do? And if you're sitting on the fence, you can always make a second channel solely for shorts. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.